Every single Australian property, whether suburban or rural, will have a shed. And if it's anything like mine, it'll fit almost everything and anything. If we take a closer look, you'll find garden chemicals, domestic cleaners, paints, adhesives, solvents and pesticides stored in many Aussie sheds. These chemicals are a vital part of our daily life. They provide us with a wide range of benefits both inside and outside the house, but they also have the potential to cause considerable health and environmental problems throughout their life cycle, from production through to disposal. It really is important to dispose of unwanted hazardous materials and chemicals in our sheds as carefully as possible. Unwanted chemicals should not be disposed to the sewer, stormwater system or to land. To tell us more is Philip Matthews from Zero Waste SA. Philip, why is it bad to stockpile old hazardous chemicals and wastes in our sheds?
If we store them for too long in our sheds, the containers start to weaken and can leak. They can cause fires. There's also a considerable danger, if you've got pets or children about. One of the other risks with chemicals being stored for too long is the labels may fall off and you may not know the usage rates or even in fact what's in them or the safety precautions if you do go to use them. So yeah, there are significant risks.
So where can we take our old dangerous hazardous chemicals and wastes?
Well, you can actually take them along to the Hazardous Waste Depot, which is down at Dry Creek. It's open the first Tuesday of every month between 9 in the morning and noon, and also a range of other collection places which are listed on the Zero Waste SA website.
And what can and can't we take to the Household Hazardous Waste Depot?
We can take a whole range of chemicals, fertilisers, insecticide, pesticides, household paint. And household paint, it can actually be left to dry so it can go in your waste bin. There's a lot of motor oil that is also collected, and most councils do actually have collection facilities for motor oil. And of course the other one is lead acid batteries, and many of the recycling depots will actually give you money back for those. And of course, if you go to Battery World, you can actually take a whole range of batteries into them. And the things you can't take use like motor tyres, tyres off motor vehicles, you can't take asbestos, you can't take explosives, and we don't accept any hazardous material from commercial or industrial sources.
So if you're thinking about cleaning out your shed to make way for that new toy you've just bought, make sure you jump onto the Zero Waste website at zerowaste.sa.gov.au before throwing out any of your hazardous chemicals. That way you'll not only be sure that you're preventing harm to others, but also protecting our precious environment.